guys, before I get started, I wanted to chime in that I have got a new palette, and I did not tell you in my last video. I totally forgot. But 32 colors of pure pigmentation. It's you know, perfect 32 colors by Nika K New York. This palette contains creamy, matte, shimmers, and glittery eyeshadows. And this is the palette I'll be using today for this look. It's so pigmented, y'all. It's from my local beauty supply. $5, 32 colors. That's it. Show you the colors really quickly before I get into it. Beautiful colors. Look at them. Some shimmer, matte, glitter, like, yeah, I just had to put that in, but let me get right back to the video. Alrighty, now that the eyes are majority done, not all the way, but they're done, you guys, I will be testing out ShopMissA's Wonder Blender. And here it is right here. I already wet it and it has expanded in size. This is it before in its packaging. It's small, then it expands of course when it's wet, and it's very soft yet a little bit firm. Perfect combo. I will be seeing how this blends out. So I'm gonna, you know, take the tape off, get my foundation, and the foundation that I'll be using today is by NYX, and it's their Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation in the color Rich Deep. And of course I'm gonna conceal under my eyes and see how this blender works. Let's get to it. And I forgot to mention that their blender is $1, so test this baby out. One thing I must say, I am not heavy with foundation, and I won't be heavy with it in this video. I'll be doing, you know, light coverage, not so full, but with this foundation you can, and I mean you can build it up, but I will just be doing it lightly. So thought I'd share that with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit, a couple dots on my face. And I do have primer on. That's why my face has been looking a little off, so the beginning of the video. And it's NYX HD Studio Photogenic primer base. And I have oily skin, and I heard it's great for oily skin, so I had to get it because I do have oily skin. I have combo, but it's more so on the oily side, and it's always, of course, the T-zone and the cheeks. That's it. That's where it always is. But yeah, that's the amount of foundation I'm going to apply. And let me get to blending. quickly and nicely, I might say. The sponge is big, but it blended nicely. The lashes that I'm using, of course, is ShopMissA, and their name is Chloe. So I'll be right back to show you, and they're dramatic. All right, you guys, I got Chloe on. Chloe's are looking dramatic, but cute. Look at them. Are y'all feeling Chloe? Alrighty, I done dust off the setting powder. Now I'm just gonna spray some finishing spray, and it's NYX one. This one, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of that, and then I'm going to jump into the highlights. So that's it. Ooh, gotta sneeze. Wait a minute. Got a little bit of that on, yes. Highlight, exciting. Why? Because the highlight I'm using today is by ShopMissA, and it's in the color Macaroon, and it's their baked highlighter. This baby right here. Only $1. It's kind of probably, it could be a whole lot of dupes for some of you if you want a very nice and pigmented one. I put this in my other video, but I didn't show you guys because I wanted to show you in this one. You had to wait. I got it on the fan brush, and I'm just going to apply it on the cheek. Ooh, look at the... Okay. You ain't have to do me like that. You really didn't. Ooh, I think that's enough for that cheek. Because if I do too much, you can even see the particles flying in the air. And today I am using lighting from outside in my lights, so that's why it's, you know, different. I just wanted some outside lighting. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh, that's $1 highlight. Let me flaunt right. Might put a little bit too much, but that's $1 highlight. Hold on. Twinkle, twinkle. And the color and the highlight name is Macaroon. $1 on ShopMissA. I'm shook at $1 highlight. And when I put it on my hand, like when I put it on my hand, it's not even giving it justice on my hand, but on my face, it's another story. Yeah, it's another story on your face. Let me tone it down a little bit. Tone down highlighter, yes. But that's $1. That's very pigmented. Ooh. Hold on. Look at, I feel like I wiped too much off. I gotta put some more. Wait a minute. Dap, dap, dap. And then whoop. She's back. But look at this. This is so... She's shook. She's officially shook with the $1 lashes, the $1 highlights, and she's about to be even more shook with this $1 diamond lip gloss that she has. So I have some chapstick on my lips, and I'm going to be applying diamond lip gloss in the color Gypsy. It's a purple iridescent type gloss, and it has a lot of glitter shine. Hopefully the camera catches it. If not, of course I will be adding photos. Oh my, you know that little app people be using, the sparkle? Honey, I don't need an app. Okay. Okay. Ooh, y'all can't see it. I'm so mad, but okay. Okay. She gonna be extra today. Okay. the purple. Okay. Oh, I'm just doing this to show you my highlight, you know. Oh, she did, and she did it lightly, and she's still bomb. All right. Yeah, this. All right, guys. That's it. This is the look. I hope you like it. Simple, purple, pink. The eyes, the lashes are Chloe. Once again, the blender, I can't get over the blender. I can't get over the blender and the highlight at this point. A dollar blender that's so soft, but yet firm. It's like, it's not hard, and they're $1. It's really amazing to me how that blended up very good and how it feels. The highlight pigment, spot on. This new palette by Nicka K that I have, I wasn't worried about the pigmentation because I have another palette by them. But if you guys want to, go ahead and check them out. Nicka K eyeshadow palettes, affordable and pigment, different colors. And yeah, ShopMissA, literally. And this is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to try out some of the stuff I got. And this is not everything that I have received. So in due time, in my other videos, my next couple videos, I will be trying out things little by little because I did get a lot of items. So with that being said, my name's Dominique, and this is the finished look. Please like, subscribe, and comment because I do respond. Share with your friend. Tell somebody to tell somebody. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.